I was trying to make that aesthetic, but it wasn't targeting. Trying to make it all aesthetically looking. Let's see. Ready? Hello, good morning. Today is Saturday, day 2 of our spring vacation. I've been watching some vlogs. I didn't go to bed until like 6 last night because the 17 concert was on, and we were watching the live stream. Am I crazy for doing that? Yes, because I woke up at 10 in the morning. But you know what? We're good. We're okay. I'm alive, I am well, I am awake. Anissa's not here right now. She went to go get coffee and a little breakfast. And then we'll probably head out soon. It was raining like all night last night, so it's pretty gloomy out here. Pretty gloomy. But hey, we're gonna start the day. I showed y'all in my other vlog that I got Anissa some stuff. I think I'm gonna give it to her now because tomorrow we're gonna be in Disneyland. So I'd be like, here, happy Easter. I'm gonna give you this stuff now because tomorrow we're gonna be Disneyland, so we're gonna be busy all day tomorrow. And yeah, I'd rather just give her the stuff early because I can't wait. So we're gonna set up the little stuff for now. Woo, ghost. I'm just gonna lay y'all right here. Can you see? Yeah, you guys can see kind of. Okay. Blurry the whole time. God dang it. I ain't even sorry. I was doing a little setup. It's cute though. Look at that. Coming. Hi. Hi. Here's for you. Oh, thank you. Okay. Cute. I literally was recording. I recorded. And then you knocked. Oops. Hello, good morning. Day 2. Happy Easter. Easter! I was like, I'll just give it to you now because we're going to be busy tomorrow.
Swedish fish! Alyssa hates them. I love them.
I do. I do not like Swedish fish. Not my favorite candy.
I got her soggy bowl.
Oh, okay.
Woohoo! Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. There's your 90-day mug.
Yes, it is.
Your 90-day fiance mug.
Oh my gosh.
Alyssa, this happened. Oh, okay. I don't remember which ones you have, so I was like, well, I'll get her another one to see if she has any.
Barista liked my shirt. Don't think he knew who this was, but he said, I like your shirt. I said, thank you.
You're 17. Because you know what? It looks vintage.
Yeah. Leia.
Okay.
I have her.
Oh.
But that's a rare. It's like an ultra rare. He's common.
Mando.
Yep. Get me the Asian. I don't have her yet though.
Yeah. I would pull the Asian.
And second round of Jabba.
Alright. Well.
So I have 3 of 4 already.
Oh well.
Okay.
I don't know. I was in Target like weighing them to see. The one I first picked out, the box was kind of wonky, so I was like, I'm gonna go back and change it. Well, I did the one I picked out first was like
The one.
the one. And I'm like, well. Please. Easter.
I like Darth Vader.
Mm-hmm.
I have Leia and a Stormtrooper already.
Yeah.
So please, Easter.
Jesus.
Yeah, they were really quick with my drink. Well, I mean, it wasn't popping. And this was like the last one there.
Mm. Hey! Yay! I did it! You know what?
Done.
She got duplicates for her adorables, but I got her the Darth Vader!
I'm done.
There you go.
Hello?
Yay!
Cute.
Nice.
Well, I'm done collecting these.
Yep, we did it. I did it.
Cutie.
Nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Guess what? It is now almost 4 o'clock. We've been in this hotel since 4 o'clock, and now we're heading out. So here, I'll show you my fit. Oh. Oh my god, I almost fell. It is raincoat, because I don't know if it's going to start raining again. Just regular t-shirts and jeans. And my shoes. I like how my bangs are looking, but it's not going to stay the same. There's a rainbow. Yeah, it's a bright rainbow. Look at the rainbow. Wow.
Wow.
Pretty. Hi, real quick. I haven't really been recording, but this is the source. This is it. It's where we get our K-pop goods.
Yeah.
I didn't film because I felt awkward. I didn't want to film all those people in there, so.
A lot of people there.
A lot of people, but we got some stuff that I will unbox later.
Yep.
Now we're gonna take photos.
Yep.
8 hours later.
Oh. I look nuts. Y'all, it has been a day. It has been a day. We're gonna do album opening another day, or I'll clip another time, or whatever. I am so exhausted. It is currently 2 in the morning. Good. It's currently 2 in the morning. We have jumped from like 5, 6 to 2 because basically, long story short, after the source, we went to downtown Disney. Got a couple things, I got a couple things, whatever. And then we had to go pick up my brother from the airport. So we went to go do that, and then he needed groceries, so we went grocery shopping. Basically, he landed at 9:30, picked him up around like 9:45, settled everything, went grocery shopping, we got food, and then I bid him farewell. We went our separate ways, and then I had to drive back like almost an hour back to the hotel because it's Riverside and we're in Anaheim. So I did my lovely big sister due diligence. So he is good to go for the rest of his quarter, for the rest of the year, for the rest of the school year. and I am exhausted. I'm gonna close out the video myself. Again, like, I think we'll just do a what I got haul. I was thinking, and like, I'm so tired, because, yeah, so I'll film that later, but I think right now I'm gonna end the video. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, whatever this was. Day 2 of our vacation. Please feel free to subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. I'm sending good vibes your way always, and I will see you next time. Peace. Y'all see that truck? Jesus coming soon. Where?